Horses out of dash of humor, best to begin rushing about the outside now is encouragement. Barkadahan is racing in third, shades of red in between horses. Shuttler's Treasure is running by the rail. Amazing Damascus, Boban Lanzaran live in Manila is the early trailer. We have encouragement, the leader by about 3 lengths now. Dash of humor in second, 2 lengths for the back in third. Shuttler's Treasure. Barkadahan is racing in fourth and in fifth, shades of red. Amazing Damascus live in Manila and Boban Lancer now racing in last. That's still encouragement by about 4 lengths. Dash of humor remains in second and in third. Shuttler's Treasure. Barkadahan now trying to get closer in fourth. Shades of red in fifth. Then comes Amazing Damascus live in Manila and Boban Lancer. And still encouragement by about 4 lengths. Then trying to get closer in second is Dash of Humor, Shuttler's Treasure. Shades of Red is running by the report. Barkadahan moving up live in Manila. And it's still encouragement by about 2 lengths. Shades of Red moving up on the outside. Shuttler's Treasure live in Manila. Encouragement still in front, followed by Shuttler's Treasure, Shades of Red. Entering the finish line. It's going to be a close finish between Shuttler's Treasure and Encouragement. Then comes Shades of Red.
Alright, mukhang